This review is on the Babelio safety gate with the pet door, okay? So one thing I do want to point out, to let my phone rest here for a second, is you see the notches here. I don't know if you can, but there are notches here that are spaced out that you can use. So I had put this door on this one right here, but as you can see, I've got two small dogs, and my dachshund there, she fit right through that. So now I'm waiting to see if my cat can fit through an even smaller opening, which she's not even there anymore. She gave up. She didn't even try, first of all. But if she's not able to fit into this much more narrow opening, I will probably have to send this gate back. And that's unfortunate because it is a good gate. The lever system works as if you push this down and push this up like that, and it only swings one way. And when you close it, you don't have to do anything with the levers. You can just hold it here and close it and it's locked. As you can see, I did not use any of the extender bars that it came with. This doorway worked perfectly without having to use those, but like I said, I don't know if my cat is going to be able to fit through this narrow opening or not. Let's see, what else, anything else? So this is twisty tied right here. Do not cut it until you have everything in place as if you are ready to use it right away. So set it all up. The last thing you're going to do is cut the twisty tie right here, and it's ready to go. There's other twisty ties that you'll see over this because they're putting the parts with this gate. You can of course cut all those. It does come with a little postcard you can fill out and mail back in case there are any issues with the gate later on. They can contact you. But the only thing that I would probably recommend is that these notches here, I wish they had like maybe one in between here, because they only give you, that's with the hand, with this little handle pushing up against here, they only give you three options for the width of this. So this is it wide open because you have the handle here. So there's that one click, and this lever here you push up to slide this, okay, and then it goes to the off position to lock it. And then of course, if you don't want this open at all, you're going to, well actually I guess that's another, I don't know what it would fit through that. I don't even know why that's even an option. That's kind of different, but anyway. So now I'm just gonna sit here and wait to see if my cat can fit through this narrow opening or not. I don't foresee it happening, but I hope I'm pleasantly surprised because I do want to keep the gate. And I know that these two would absolutely not be able to fit through something like that. So anyway, it is built well, and there's really nothing negative to say about it. Only that I wish that these had, more notches in that. But other than that, that's my review. I would give this probably a 4-star rating. And I am happy with it. I hope it works.
All right, this review is for the Babelio baby gate with the cat door. This doesn't work really well at all. The way it's designed here at the bottom, these extensions are not really held in place other than this metal bar, which just lifts right out. So when you're trying to put this together and you're moving it over here to position it, well, of course, everything just falls out. And furthermore, any of these extensions here on the ends, this is designed to be threaded in to hold this in place, yet nothing threads in. Awesome, this will be returned.
All right, here it is. You can open it just fine. It's tight. If you wiggle it, it stays shut. If you lift up, it opens.
This way, Coop. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Daisy. Come, Coopy. Coop. Oh, yeah. Come. Come on. Right through the door. Come on. Show us how you do it. Come on, big boy. Show us. Oh, you can do it. Look at you. You did it. fix the trip issue with my office door. And then look down there for Paya.